Okay, so here's another vectors question. So we've got a diagram. M is the midpoint, and Q is the midpoint of AM. So that means that this side and this side are the same length. AP is A, PC is 2A, CM is B, and PQ is C. Right. So in terms of A, find AM in terms of A and B. Okay, so let's do AM first. Okay, so AM. If we start at A and we get to M, okay, well then we're going to have to go down to from A to P to C to M. Okay, so that's going to be AP plus PC plus CM, and we're given all those vectors. So AP was A, PC was 2A, and CM was B. So we've got 3A plus B. Okay, that's 3A plus B. That's that part of the question taken care of. Easy. Right, now, we've got to find QB in terms of C. QB in terms of C. Right, well, let's find QB. Right, so to get from Q to B, I can go QP because I'm given that vector. And then I can go from P to C, and then I can go from C to B. Okay, now we're told that M is the midpoint of BC. So if CM is B, that means that this side is also B. So that means I can work out CB and I'll have QB. Okay, right. So Q to P, okay, is the opposite direction. So that's minus C. P to C, that's 2A. And then C to B, that's going to be 2B. Now we've put the correct thing for the midpoint. So I have got 2A plus 2B minus 1C. Okay, now remember, we want this in terms of C. So what we want to do, we want to somehow replace the A and the B and have the whole thing in C's. Okay, so we need to work out what a C is. So if we look at QP, PQ, we want to replace the C in terms of A and B. So what I'm going to say is that AQ, we are told, is half of AN, because we're told the Q is a midpoint. Okay, well, we know what that is. That means that's a half of AM, which was 3A plus B. Okay, so we've got 1.5 A's and a half B. That's AQ. So now PQ is equal to P to A, which we know, and A to Q, which we just worked out. So P to A is minus A, and A to Q, which we've written above, is 1.5 A plus a half B. Okay, let's simplify it. So I've got 1.5 A, I'll take away an A, so I'm left with half an A, and I'm left with half a B. So let's write that as half A plus B. Okay, so that's PQ. PQ is also equal to C, we're given the question. So we can see that PQ equals C and PQ equals 1/2 A plus B. So of course that means that C equals a half A plus B. Okay, now remember we want QB, which we worked out earlier. We worked out that QB was 2A plus 2B minus C. So let's replace that. So 2A plus 2B minus C. That's QB. Okay, and if I can rewrite this as 2 a plus b minus c. So remember, c is a half of that. So that means that 2c equals a plus b. So now I can write this as two lots of 2c minus c, because 2c was a plus b. There's our a plus b. So I just rewrite that as 2c. So now I've got two lots of 2c. That's equal to 4c minus c. So that's 3c. So I've got that qb is equal to 3c, and that is the final answer in terms of c that I wanted.